Alright, so in this video, I'm going to try and pull the motor out of my E46. It's just the stock inline. I already chopped the front axles out on it, so if you look, you can kind of, well, I guess you can't really see, but the axles are cut out. And yeah, the only thing that's holding me up is I have one stripped out bolt on that side. But other than that, it's I think it's going to be good to go. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to just kind of time lapse it and put you on a tripod and get going. Alright, so I'm going to try and drop the front subframe right now. Probably the sketchiest thing I've tried to do by myself. Just because I'm going to have to like kick the front tires off the car, drop the subframe, lower the engine, put jack stands under the front frame of the car. It's kind of sketchy, but I don't see a way to get the diff out with the drive shafts and everything without dropping the subframe. There's just too much stuff. So, see how this goes. Okay, so motor's out of the car. All in all, it wasn't that bad. I did not expect to have to drop the front subframe. It was kind of sketchy to do on my own because of supporting the front of the car and stuff, but that was definitely the way to do it. And yeah, there is the car without a motor, and there's the whole front of my car. I guess the real question now is, at this point, do I just buy a front subframe from a non-all-wheel drive model and just have that in the front and go back to a normal suspension, or what now? I don't know, but I've got a motor to sell, a transmission to sell, and some other stuff to deal with now that I've actually got this part out of the car. But hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and comment, and watch for more.